Okay, we're doing a room tour of room 7218 on the Carnival Splendor. Let's check it out. Alright, this is a quad room. It's currently set to the 3-bed configuration. We've got the 3rd bed up the top. It's currently 2 singles, but it can be converted to a queen bed or a king at the top. The 4th bed would come up the top here. And okay, next to the beds, we have these lampposts. They have USB-A and USB-C connectors on both lampposts with a light connector here. All right, and turning back around, we have a desk with this huge mirror with an Australian output here. And next to the phone, we have a US outlet, I think it is, with the huge mirror here if you need to use it, with lights connected. I can't remember which light switch it is, but it does work. There's a table underneath, chair underneath, sorry. And we've got 4 drawers that come out, empty. Then the TV here with glasses, drinks, whatnot. And a couple more doors here which open for the safe if you need to use it. Underneath we have the cooler, not quite a fridge, but if you need to cool something, it'll do the job. Then heading back towards the door, we have 3 cupboards, one with the kids' life jacket, but that'll only come if you've got kids. Then another one with the coat hangers and that, but we didn't unpack because we're only in this room for 3 nights, didn't see the point. Then another one with permanent life jackets and more cupboard space. Then that's the entrance door, and just to the side of it is the bathroom with the shower, toilet, has a shower curtain too. Then the mirror. So not too bad if you just want to save a bit of money and you're not in the room too often. And there is one good thing about this room. I'm just going to show you. Make sure I got my card so I don't lock myself out like I did when I first recorded this. And just outside the room, we'll go down 1, 2 rooms down. And we've got this door out here. Push forward. And you actually get to see the front of the ship. I think we're, if you're wondering, just outside of Ulladulla on the New South Wales South Coast. Yeah, all right, so if you've enjoyed this, like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks for watching.